Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use all the main shooting modes on the DJI Mini 4K, including QuickShots, photo modes, and Panorama, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use each mode and what results to expect. Let's start with QuickShots. These are automated flight modes where the drone moves and records cinematic shots for you. First, the circle shot. Tap record, go to QuickShots and select circle. Then tap on your subject on the screen and press start. The drone will automatically circle around your subject while keeping it centered. You'll see the progress percentage on the screen on the right-hand side, and once it's done, it returns to its starting position. And this is the result. Next is spiral. The process is the same. Select spiral, choose your subject and press start. The difference is that the drone moves outward while circling, creating a zoom out effect. And this is the result. Now let's look at Dronie. Here I positioned the drone facing myself first, then selected Dronie from the QuickShots menu and selected myself as the subject. This shot is great for people as the drone flies backward and upward while keeping the subject in frame. And this is the result. Next is rocket. For this shot, it's important that the camera is angled downward. After selecting your subject, the drone will fly straight up, revealing more of the surroundings. This works best when your subject stands out clearly from the background. And this is the result. Now that we've covered QuickShots, let's move on to photo modes. First, single shot. This is your standard photo, and this is the result. Next is AEB, which takes multiple exposures. This is useful if you want to combine them later for better lighting. And this is the result. And then timed shots, which automatically take photos at a set intervals. And this is the result. Now let's look at Panorama. Tap the Panorama option and select Sphere. The drone will take photos in all directions to create a full 360 degrees image. And this is the result. Now, one important thing to know, Panorama images are not saved as final images directly on the SD card. To process them, open the DJI Fly app, go to the library and select the images. From there, the app will process them into full Panorama photos, which you can then download to your phone. Next is the 180 Panorama. This captures a wide horizontal view, great for landscapes. And this is the result. And finally, wide angle. This is a more subtle panorama that expands your field of view slightly. And this is the result. That's it for this video. Now you've seen how to use all the main shooting modes on the DJI Mini 4K along with the results you can expect from each one. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials.